So today I'm going to show you how I made a girl's Sweet 16 birthday invitation using a Canva birthday template. So there are a couple elements. I know I'm not going to use like the smoke in the main image. I'm going to go ahead and delete all the elements I'm not going to use. I want to move everything out of the way. That's the one thing. With Canva, sometimes you go to grab something and you grab something different. So I'm just going to get rid of all the elements I don't want. This way, it makes it easier for me. Once I've removed all the elements I don't want, I'm going to go ahead and add my own background. Since this invitation is mostly black and my background has black in it, I'm just going to use it on the top half of the invitation. Now I will go into the layers panel and move my background image to the layer directly in the back. I'm going to detach the background layer and just delete it completely. So if I set it as the new background layer, it will actually zoom in and fill the background completely. Instead, I will just place it on top of the background layer. So now I just want to make sure that I get rid of all the elements I don't want. And then I'm going to add my uploaded image. Now I just want to size everything and make sure I like my placement. Since this design has a lot of glowing hearts and the glowing effect, I am going to mimic that effect for the date and time. Just to make it pop out a little bit from the rest of the text, I'm just going to double check the size. And I also want to kind of match the glowing effect to the glowing hearts or her dress color, just so it's not such a hot pink in comparison to all the other pink elements. So I just want to move everything around to make sure I like the layout. Now I want to give the image a little something extra, so I'm going to go ahead and search glowing neon pink hearts. I'll try a couple different ones to fill in this empty space on the bottom and make it more cohesive with the top. So I think the double hearts will fill in the bottom section nicely. Then go ahead and place one, change the color, duplicate it, and then I'm going to go ahead and just flip it so I can mirror it to the other side. Now, you want to move it until you see the 3 lines, which is letting you know that they are aligned with each other. So now I'm having a hard time moving everything around because of the placement of all the different elements and font. I am going to move all the text to the top layers of the invitation just to make it easier for me. You can also grab multiple layers by just clicking on them in your layer and then hit Control, and you can move multiples at one time. I'm just going to double check the layers, make sure I like everything is in its right place. Now I'm going to search for glowing stars. Once I find the ones I like, I want to go ahead and add them behind my text. Now I'm going to add 2 more stars and place them behind her. Then I want to make sure that all the white text pops against the black. So I will add a black outline to all the white text. So now let's animate your invitation. For me, I like to pick a page animation, then go through each one to just see which one fits the design best. Now I like to go in and independently change the text so that they are animated differently from the page animation. It's also a great way to offer something free that seems like a big bonus, but doesn't take a lot of work. Now I have my end result, and it looks completely different from the original template. So now you have a custom download to sell on Etsy,